Hello, all. Hope you're all doing fine. You must be thinking, what am I doing? I'm trying to be a little creative. All humans are creative, but then, as usual, we let go our creative thinking in our daily routine. But it is so important to be creative at least once in a while, if not all the time. Now is the world of creativity. You need to be creative in whatever job you are, and it is not just an art. Creativity is just not an art, it is the creative thinking which is required in today's world. But we often see we get mentally blocked because of so many reasons, and then we are not able to do that little bit of a creative thinking which is required today. So, what are those blocks which kind of makes us not to think creatively? Few of the things which I could figure out is we generally make first point we generally make assumptions in the sense we don't get all the information before we decide on something. We don't kind of conclude the a point and then we try to give our opinion on that. It just happened recently. I'll just give you an example. I had gone to a bank, and then one person, he was withdrawing some amount, and then he handed over the check to the banker, and then he took the money. So then this guy who took the money, he said, "Sir, you have made a mistake," to the banker. Banker just immediately replied saying that that's not my problem. You should have checked it before you left the counter. Now this guy was trying to tell that you have given some extra amount to me and he wanted to return it back. But the banker's assumption that this person would have done the mistake or he would have written a wrong amount costed the banker a little bit of money. So that is what, before we kind of try to say something, listen to the entire information and then try to make your opinion. So assumptions are always half baked information which can spoil the way we think. Second is try to understand point from other people point of view also. We generally have the habit of saying only one thing, but we don't try to understand things from other people point of view. Generally we say that try to be in other shoes and see how the world looks. The other person might have a very good point which could have helped us, but due to our limited thinking or due to our limited capacity of absorption, we generally don't take others viewpoint, which again is a kind of a mental block for our kind of a thinking. Third thing could be mood swings. I've seen so many people, their mood swings tremendously. At one point they are all positive, they are talking nicely, and just in few minutes time they turn negative and then they behave in a very different manner. So why does it happen? Because emotions are controlling us, and if emotions are controlling us, we will not be able to think freely the way we should, because things are not going to be the same all the time. But we need to keep our emotions under control and kind of think positively, properly at what is going to happen next. Fourth thing could be yourself. try to think from your point of view. Don't let other people tell you what you should think and how you should do. You have your brain, you have your capacity to think. So other people should not come in between or should not interfere in your thinking. That will mentally block you from whatever you want to think. this is a this is what few things I just wanted to convey to you about thinking. Be creative. It is not a one day process. It is a continuous process. Keep your mind open all the time so that you can receive more inputs, and you might have a different worldview of how to think, and that will really make your life easy. Thank you.